morning, Mia and her little brother Leo looked at the old forest behind their house. Today, with their puppy Biscuit by their side, they finally decided to find out. Together, Mia and Leo built a little treehouse, their very own secret base in the woods. But as they admired their work, Biscuit suddenly froze and stared deep into the trees. To their disbelief, the little fox opened its mouth and spoke in a gentle voice. It warned them that reaching the heart of the forest would be easy, and their journey was about to truly begin. Carefully, one stone at a time, Mia guided Leo and Biscuit safely across the rushing river. But just as they reached the other side, dark clouds began rolling in above them. The storm hit hard and fast, but Mia held her brother close, keeping him safe and warm. As the rain poured down, a small disagreement between Lings was about to make things even harder.
Tired and scared, Leo snapped at his sister, and for a moment, the two siblings stopped speaking to each other. It was Biscuit who noticed something strange peeking out from under a nearby rock. Buried beneath the rock was an old glowing map, and instantly, Mia and Leo forgot their argument. The map pointed straight toward a hidden cave, but what waited inside would test them both. Working perfectly together, Mia and Leo solved the puzzle, and the ancient stone door slowly creaked open. Beyond it, a soft golden light glowed brighter than anything they had ever seen.
Safe, together, and proud of what they had done, Mia and Leo hugged tightly, thankful for each other. As the sun began to set, the fox told them one final surprise awaited before they returned home.
That night, surrounded by hundreds of glowing fireflies, Mia and Leo knew this was a day they'd never forget. Are always better when shared together.